Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Moto G84 and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power key button on this device. So just to activate the Google Assistant by double press the power key, we should open first the settings and then scroll all the way down to the gestures. Here scroll more down and tap to press and hold power button and switch power menu to digital assistant. Now let's press and hold power key button and we can see that the Google Assistant successfully enabled. Just to turn it off, switch digital assistant to power menu and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.